Welcome back to I'm Out Traveling, guys. Today is the day where I finally get to ship out the GoPro 9 to the winner, Norm. So this was a last minute impromptu giveaway. So if you guys watched the last giveaway that I did for the GoPro 10 where Nishta won the GoPro 10 all the way in India, so she's going to be receiving a GoPro 10 to India, which is awesome. I decided to do a last minute giveaway on the same live stream, which is why it's important when you guys are watching the videos, you never know where I'm going to throw in a little curveball to you guys. So I decided to give away my personal GoPro 9. So Norm, you're receiving my GoPro 9 with the charging cable, the battery, a mount, a 32 gig memory card inside the GoPro 9 already installed, and you're gonna see this thumb screw. It's my favorite thumb screw. I have a couple of these. The ones that GoPro provides you are kind of not the greatest, so I'm gonna hook you up with my thumb screw as well. So Norm, when you receive the GoPro 9, do me a favor, make some videos, share it with me so I can share it with the rest of the world. Congrats again, and I'll see you guys next year for the GoPro 11 giveaway. All right, Norm, here we go. It's going to you now. Get ready. All right, Norm, there you go. GoPro has been shipped, as you can see. So do me a favor, enjoy it. And when you get the GoPro, make some videos, send it to me so I can share it with the rest of the world, because I want people to see the creation. I know you're a firefighter, if I'm not mistaken, so that's pretty cool. I would love to see some fire trucks. In the meantime, stay tuned, watch our videos, because I might have some other giveaways throughout the year, so you never know. Guys, thank you so much for watching and joining I'm Out Traveling. See you on the next one.